Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making achi soup. This is achi seeds. Then I have Uziza leaves. I have owa leaves. You may use either of the leaves if you wish. That's ogiri. I'm going to use a small amount of it and it's optional. And I have yellow habanero pepper. I also have salt seasoning. That's Kponmo. Then that's dry catfish. Then there is stockfish. That's stockfish. And there is smoked fish. As you can see, that's palm oil and that's crayfish. So these are the ingredients. Let's get started. So I'll be boiling the beef. You can see small amounts of onions, and I'm adding seasoning, salt. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for a while. That's my already washed stockfish going in there. That's blended pepper, the yellow pepper. I blended it and adding it into it. So this is the achi seeds. I'm going to mix some palm oil with it together. I'll mix it very well and I will set it aside. I'll come back to it and let's get back to the pot. So here the meat and the stockfish has boiled together. I'll be adding the Kponmo, and I usually boil my Kponmo with salt and onions before adding it into what I'm cooking. So now I'm adding the mixture of the achi seeds and the palm oil I mixed earlier. So this is it. I'm going to put all of it. It also serves as thickener, just like you're making ogbono. So but this is achi seed. So I'll put everything. This method is as good as you're making bitter leaf soup or oha soup. The difference is the achi seeds is replacing the cocoyam or yam flour. So that's the ogiri going inside. Remember, it's optional. If you don't like it, then it's fine. Your soup will still come out nice. So this is the crayfish going inside. I'm going to stir it together. You can see it's thickening up. Ooh. So next I'll be adding smoked fish. You can add as much as you want. It's going to add flavor into it. Then I'll cover it and let it cook for some few seconds or a minute. Next I'm adding the Uziza leaves, and then I'll go in later with the oha leaves. You can decide to use any leaf of your choice. You can use ugu or bitter leaf or anyone. So now I'm going to add some salt. Please note that you have to taste before adding more salt because we already added salt earlier while boiling the meat. So cover it again and allow it to simmer for about few seconds. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. My achi soup is giving already. Look how good it looks. It tastes so yummy. You can pair this with any swallow of choice. I'm pairing mine with poundo yam. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.